Yo, what's up YouTube? One of my videos, someone was asking what are the black color strips that they saw in the video, you know, on the edge of the hood, on the edge of my door, and on the edge of the rear boot. So today I'm just gonna quickly run through what the black color strip is that I've installed on my car, and also what is the usage of it. It's actually called a door guard. You may be able to purchase them from Shopee, from Lazada for I don't know how much. I've got mine installed in Shah car accessory. I think the one that I bought was 5 meters per pack. So I installed on my front hood like a U shape on both sides of my side door, so the front side doors and the rear side doors. I did an L shape, so it comes from the side right after the window B pillar all the way down, so it kind of like it kind of forms an L shape on 4 doors, and also on my rear boot, which also forms a U shape. Why do I do that is because I think it's important, well, at least for me, I want to protect the paint on the edge of the door, and also should I open the door, if you know, in tight spots, if you're parking beside people's car or you're parking beside a wall or something, yeah, when you open your door, at least your paint is protected and you won't get scratches on your door. For me, I think it's important that I do so, because to be honest, I just don't like the paint on my car to be scratched and stuff like that. Well, even though it's not the main part of the body, it's just like on the side of the door, but yeah, that's just me. So I purchased this from Shah car accessories. A pack of 5 meters long of rubber door guard cost, I think, 20 ringgit if I remember correctly. So installation fee was 5 ringgit per pack. I bought, I think, 4 packs in total in order to cover everything. Of course, I still have the balance. I kept it with me, you know, just in case if I find some other parts that I want to protect or I want to cover. But there's definitely some balance left from the 20 meters in total that I bought. The door guard is kind of like a U-shaped rubber, whereby there is a metal thingy inside and coated again with rubber, so there's no metal touching the body of our car. It's basically the entire rubber, kind of like a condom, you know. If you guys would like to know more, I will link Shah car accessories Facebook page under this description below. You know, you could hit them up. They've got tons of accessories, not only for the Perodua Ativa, but you know, for every car out there in the market, you know. So that's all from me today. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.